again, the selling point here is $517 a foot in an area where condos are easily selling for $1,300 and can go even higher than that. Brownstone, Brooklyn, very, very low supply of elevator buildings that are free market in general in this area. You know, we talked about zoning earlier. R6B is how most of this area is zoned, and R6B is a contextual district, meaning you can't really change the plane above 4 stories, and it's very hard to do any type of new construction. So this is the sell, $517 per square foot, 421A expired, 100% free market elevator building. So you know the 2 basic business plans here, you know, re-renovate everything to 2021 versions. I will say that there's like a lot of outdoor space that can be re-amenitized in a more thoughtful or, you know, artful way and really drive up the rents, or go condo with this building. I mean, even at a $1,300 blended sellout, you're at $22 million gross sellout. You're buying the property for $12 million. There's some spread in there. You can't buy the land. I mean, Robbie, what would be your best guess what the land would sell for here? If you just had a piece of land, it'd probably be $350 per buildable. So you can't buy this building again. You can't build this building again for that price cost basis. And it's a hell of a lot quicker